In this video, I'll show you how to share your test results from musictheory.net. So whatever test you're taking, you'll finish the test and click on View Report. Then you're going to sign your name here, click Sign Report. And after you sign your name, you'll have two options. One is copy link, one is copy code. I prefer using copy link. And then you can paste that link into a message to the teacher or paste it into whatever learning management system you're using. If it's a discussion on Schoology or Google Classroom, etc., you'll just paste that in. And for an example, if you click paste, it'll look like this. It'll pull up your results. It'll have your name, the score, the time that it took, and then more details on the test that you were taking.